heading style. Okay, and here we have inside h2, this is the style h2, and here we have, this is the style h3, and here this is 4, 5, 6, which is the smallest, heading style. And to see the difference again, we can open another paragraph tag and close it, and we can write the same sentence. This is the style P, which is the paragraph style. Okay, then we have the closing tag of the body. So we have opening tag of the body and we have the closing tag of the body. We have the opening tag of paragraph and the closing tag of paragraph and all of these styles. Okay, we will just save it for sure, and all of the changes will be saved here. I want to drag it now. Before I drag it, I will close all of the previous web pages and I will drag it here. You see, we have the title, my first web page done by IC teacher. It is here from this tag, paragraph tag, which has the same style and size of the font of the last line, because it's also written by the paragraph tag. Here h1, you see, this is the style of h1, the largest one. You have h2, 3 and until h6, which is the smallest style. Now in this way we have done with the task 21a. Now we will move to the second task, which is 21p. So we will go to our file explorer and go to chapter 1 and open a new folder. We will name it like task 21b. Okay, let's continue. Go to the task. Open the file webpage1.htm and view this web page in both the text editor and web browser. Improve this web page by setting the 3n x power to 3 as a superscript and setting the 2n h2o as a subscript. Okay, so we will go to our source files. Where is chapter 21? We have to see, this is the file web page 1. We will just copy it and go back again to here and we will paste it. Now what we will do, Now, to see what we have inside this file, we will just simply drag it to the Explorer. We have this web page. To see the code, I will drag it here to our notepad file. If you see here, we have the title task 21p. Here we have it, task 21p. It is in the head section, and inside the body section we have this paragraph. We have the paragraph tag open and close for each line. If you see here, it is x3. We want to make this 3 like in the upper top corner and this 2 in the lower top corner. So we will come here simply before number 3. We want to open a superscript tag. We will open the tag sub, and after the 3 we will close this tag. So I will put the forward sub. So we simply open and close the tag sub and write the 3 in the middle between the opening and the close of this tag. File, save as. I want to save it with the same name on the same folder. We will just save. We have it already exist, so we can replace it simply. Now I want to close the previous one and drag the new one. Can you see the 3 going up? Now let's see what will happen to the 2. We will go before the 2 and open the subscript tag, and after the 2 I have to close the subscript tag. But don't forget the forward slash of the closing tag. File, now just save, and we will close this, drag it. You see, so we have the beginner of HTML document. We have the HTML tag here. We have the head section tags and the body section tags. We have the paragraph tags, and we have the heading. They use heading 2 for this title. What else we have? So that, and these are the 2 new things. Okay, now let's move to the next task, which is 21c. In this task, I think we need to create a table. To create a table, we want the table for sure inside the body section. So we can go and create the table now. Now let's open a new I will make everything back now. Okay, so we will go here and open a new folder, and this is task 21c. Okay, in this task I will come to the folder, and I can simply just copy the general. Here we will change the title to 21c, and inside the body section we don't need any of these. Okay, so we will just file, save as. It will be like, we are in C now. It is task 21c.htm. Like this, it will work well. Okay, So I'll drag it here. We have, it is task 21C, and we have nothing here. Let's read the task. The task said that create a new web page that looks like this and has caption colors. Okay, so we want to create a table, and we need to write a caption for this table, which is colors. Okay, so let's go to see the first thing that we have to do. We have to create a table. It means we need to create a table tag. I will put again Opera. Okay. Okay. I will open a new tag. This tag, I will name it table. And for sure, what I have to do, I have to close this tag. Inside the table, we have rows and columns. Each row in the table, we have to open it by tr tag, tr. This is the first row. If we want to do anything inside this row, we will do it here. The second row, we will just copy and paste it here. We have 2 rows in the table, so we need to do 2 tr tags. If we have 3 rows, so we need to do 3 tr tags. In our tables, we have 2 rows. And how many columns? We have 3. We have 2 columns. So inside each row, we will open and 2 cells. For example, we have 2 columns. It means the first row has 2 cells. So the cell is TD, and I will close it. This is another TD tag. So Ctrl C. This is the first cell, and this is the second cell. Here we have the same. Ctrl C. And this is the last.